Once again, I welcome you all to the Agro Times. This is Alex Grace Tefe with my friend, a colleague in service,
Bibi Olivia. So today here we are basically, you remember this field, yeah? You know, if you see, you can remember those who watched the first video of soybean assessment in Ibujiri district. We're in Ibujiri. We've come here for post-harvest handling sessions. So we are going to show you exactly what farmers do after harvesting the soya in the fields. So Mr. Tefe is going to take us through the process.
Okay, thank you so much, Oliver. Back to our viewers, I take this honor to appreciate you for being part of us and to allowing us to be part of you still. So, allow me wish you a happy new year because we are in a new year and ever since we had not met again, but I appreciate the Lord, the Almighty, that we are still alive. And I pray that the Lord keeps us through this year and we at least start investing and participating actively in the field of farming and crop growing. I love you so much. So today we have come for a session called the post-harvest handling that entails with the management of the grain or crops from the field up to marketing or consumption. So we are going to take you through post-harvesting handling methodologies or techniques, what farmers are expected of, what they should do to manage the quality and the quantity of the produce. Specifically, this video is going to focus on soybean production. I hope we remember this field that we had last time. It is what we used as a case study. So we are now going to see what has come out of it, what challenges these people have faced. So we are going to engage our youth and Mzee. They will tell us how the things have moved. Then we shall go to other processes like threshing, winnowing, and packing. Thank you so much. Let us meet these people and they take us through what they have gone through. They give us their life experiences on this. Thank you so very much.
Mzee Olivia, kakuteeka akazinda.
So at this moment, Mzee is going to tell us how he has managed the garden, the challenges he has gotten, what he feels at the project. He will give us his findings on what has been happening or at the status at which he has reached today. So I request you to listen attentively and please learn from him, get encouraged, and please also help yourself and myself to push on. So Mzee, it is your time. You can use the local language or English, or you can even interchange. Okay. You use them concurrently.
So by the name I'm called Oginire John Peter. I'm the father of that youth who's the owner of this garden. In fact, he worked in this garden, and at the beginning the germination was very okay. Even the growth was good. Only that at the midst of the season, the sunshine came and worked almost 2 months. And that's why our harvest has been very poor. And indeed, we are very happy with the project, and we still hope to continue with the project if we are given more time, more chances. As far as we have harvested, our harvest is not so good. So I don't know what to do, but I request to give me an excuse or more chance.
Okay, thank you so much. So he's Mzee, our father, and specifically he is the owner or he's the participant we are dealing with. But Mzee is supporting, as you know. At our age, we normally don't have all the resources like land. Mzee has given us land, he's supporting in all ways. So we are going to also hear from him. This is the person that I've been talking about, the owner of this garden. So he's going to greet us and also share some words with us. Then we shall proceed to other things. Start with you.
By the name called Winola, I thank the project. It is okay, but due to sunshine, but we never harvest more. But what I know, next time better, but shall be engaging more than this time again. I don't have much to say. The good thing, you know what is happening everywhere. It is happening, not here alone. That is my view.
Okay, thank you so much. In addition to that, I think our viewers, you can see the field is having some little part. I think you can see now the effect. You can see now the effect of the sunshine. Ndowooza muli kubona omusana gwatwokya. This is not what we expected. Following back, referring to the garden that we shared in the other first video, we could not expect us to have this at the end, but unfortunately, because I and you have no control on nature, we cannot specifically know what will happen in the future. So you find that we are having such harvests. This is very different from what we expected. Sunshine affected the podding stage, and the output has been very low. In fact, we have made a loss, but we expect that next time better, when nature is on our side, we'll have to get more than expected. So I think you can have a picture to compare the first garden and what we are having at the end. But this does not mean that we stop farming or we end here. This is not the end of the story. We still have to push on, things work out. Like in the first video, I told you, farming is like a marriage. We have issues, but we don't necessarily move or depart from each other. We still have to move together and have things solved or worked out. So this is part of what we had. We have taken initiative to show you this part because we want you to know, because most of you, our viewers, have too much expectations in that video that we shared. But things didn't work out well. However, we want you to see what has happened at the final stage. You compare with the first video and you see what has happened to this farmer can also happen to you in the same way in any other crop, because we depend on nature, and nature is not predictable. It is one of the threats that we have in farming, and it is a general problem. So for this moment, I appreciate you for listening to us and giving us your time, resources. Thank you so very much. In any way or in any case you have any queries to ask, please, you can comment in the comment section. We can be able to get back to you and give you the technical support. I think we can now proceed to the threshing, how it is dried, how soybean is dried, how do we manage it from the garden. I think that is what I can have for you for now. Thank you so very much. That's we do winnowing. So this is another method of winnowing. So we also encourage you to demonstrate the same. If you cannot manage, please get people to help you support it and have this done, because it is what you can do to have a final product that you will even market. So this is another way. It's very simple. It helps us to remove the dirt from the soybean or from the crop that we have. And remember, we tell you we use local available materials. We have not bought anything except the tarpaulin. But for that, you can even borrow from the neighbors that you may have near you.
Members, this video is incomplete, real incomplete. Have accidentally deleted the middle part of this video. I was trying to edit, I was trying to get short clips from the main video, then I tended to only save the short clips. Then after saving them, I tried to revert and it refused. Like I was panicking when I was trying to revert again. I accidentally deleted the invisible backups, and once you delete invisible backups, a video cannot revert back to original. So I lost that clip where we were talking about post harvest handling of soybean, how to dry the soybeans, how to remove the soybeans from the ponds, how to sort, and how to package to the market. But I feel sad. But I will say we can re-record this video. But since I'd promised you in the previous video that we are going to post a video on post-harvest handling of soybeans, I had to post this. However much it is short and it is not detailed, just keep yourself with this as we see the way forward. Good enough or lucky enough, we had recorded a separate video on how the cooperative buys the soya beans from the farmers. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I love you so much. So I feel sad. It's my birthday today. I don't know when will you watch this video, but I'm recording this video on 3rd January, exactly on my birthday. But I don't know when I will post it. However, thank you for watching. May God bless you. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you in the upcoming video about potato farming. Bye bye. I love you.